Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm doing a challenge for Paper Possibilities Crazy Crafters Facebook group. So this actually is a challenge I have set, and each alternate month Nat Williams and I set a challenge for each other and the rest of the group join in. So I have got details of the Facebook group as well as some channels for you to look at in the description below. And let's get started. The challenge is to do something for Halloween. It didn't have to be Halloween, it could just be orange and black. However, I've got a lot of Halloween stuff. We don't really have Halloween here in Australia, but I like the creepy things and the labels that you get in these Halloween kits. So this one I got in the UK. You can see the £5.99 sticker on it. And I got it like last year, but this one is the current year Halloween one, and I'm really looking forward to using this. As well as that, I have got some Halloween ephemera. Now all of this is Tim Holtz stuff. I've got some Tim Holtz Halloween wallpaper. I'm going to use these as my substrate. I've also pulled out one of the Tim Holtz baseboard frames. Got a few of these and I haven't really used them very much, so I thought I'd try and use that today. And then I've got some tickets. Now I've got some for 30p and some for 11p. These are vintage UK bus tickets, and I actually sell these in my Etsy shop in a variety of colours. They've got a pack that's got multiple colours. However, I've just pulled the orange ones out today for myself. And then I was cleaning up my desk just before starting this project, and I found this book page with this photo on it, and I thought, oh, that's really creepy, so maybe that's going to be good for Halloween too. So I'm not sure how I'm going to pull this all together, but let's get going. So I'll start, as I said, with one of the pieces of wallpaper as my substrate. Now this wallpaper measures 5 by 8. So it's quite a good size for a junk journal. You can just stick it straight on the page and, you know, use whatever you make on top of it. So I'm hoping I can sort of do some sort of a pocket thing today, because that would be good to have something that I can actually put stuff in, as well as have it as a decorative piece. I like these purple curtains. Last year he did a red curtain, and I'm not sure where they are because I do have that set as well, but this is the current set of Halloween pieces that I've got here. Let's get these little bits out. I'm sure I've got 2 of them. They might not be any good for this year actually at the moment for this project, because they are a bit purple, but I really like them, so I must try and use them in another thing. And because then I've got Creepy Man, just very cool. And I've got like this guy with his eyes. Anyway, you can see I like the creepiness of it all. So create a bit of a background to then put something over the top of. And where's my dude gone here? I really like this creepy dude. Maybe I'll have to put this up a little bit higher so that I can see some of that picture. And then I can put, where's that one I had before here? For amusement and skill only. And I'm not necessarily going to make this too complicated. I think sometimes simple is good. Not everything has to go all out complicated. So maybe something like this. Maybe I don't want the tickets there, so I'm not sure if they're going to go. I'll just put them to one side and grab a few more bits. There must be some other little things in here that I can use. That looks better. Alright, I'll start by gluing some of this down. So obviously I'm only going to go along the bottom, then I'll go up the side of this chap. And then I'll see what else I've got in the little books here to put in other than that ticket. This one says an uninvited guest. I might put this one down here and get a couple of others of these things. What else have we got? We've got those, we've got tags, we've got some butterflies. I could put some butterflies in here. I like this orange butterfly, he's really pretty. These stickers that he's making now are really thick. They're not like the old stickers that you used to get, you know, years ago. They're actually quite thick and very nice to use. So remembering that this is my front piece, and then I'm putting the butterfly down on the back piece basically. And I'm seeing what else I can find to put on. Maybe I can put another butterfly over the top. See how that would look. Maybe another butterfly here and a little one, a little one here, like a little one flying this way, overlapping somewhat. And of course this one here I'm actually going to cut off. I do want to use this frame, so I'll just get my pencil and see about where I could put this in the back. Okay, so I need to cut it down to about maybe there. I've just measured that because I'm going to put this as the background to the frame. Cutting it a tiny bit smaller than the frame. I've still got a good sized piece I can do something else with there. And now I need to put something in it. Now in this new sticker book I have these little pictures. Let's see, try and find them. Here they are here. These creepy people, I love them. They're really cute. Look at this lady. I'm going to use her. She's a bit small for in there though, isn't she? But I could probably put something in behind her, like this dude. Because what I've been dying to do since I got this sticker book, and I don't know why I haven't yet, is I want to put a little mask on them. So he's made these teeny tiny little masks to go on these pictures. And just poke the eyes out, so they're like a little bandit mask. She looks like she's got some weird sort of glasses on, but she's actually got a bandit mask on. You get a few down the bottom here. Very cute. So I've got this, which hasn't been stuck down yet, but it's going to fit in there quite well. And I'm going to see what else I can put in there as well. I'd like to use, there's a good saying I can use, her eyes were dark. And I'd like to use one of these letters at the back. Let's see. One of these at the back. Maybe I can use like the Q or something weird. Probably wouldn't use the Q for anything else. I'll have to make a decision on where things are going because these are stickers. I can't just keep them all out. Q, and I need something else at the back here while I'm fiddling around. I need to put this down, I know that. Now I've got too much in my hands. That can go there, and let's get this guy on the page. I could do something like this. I think that's better. And then I can put something else down here. Let me just find something that's long and skinny. Actually, no, I might do a clock. It might look cool. I'll get one of these old clock faces and put it down here. I'm going to see if I can take this off here now without ruining it. Let's see, this is not coated as much, so it's come in. Put that in there, and then I'll put this black one, which will look much better on that frame than the white one will. It's coming up, yes. because it doesn't pop as much, which I think in this instance is a good thing. It says wonderful secret. So I quite like that. And that can be a pocket, like I could just stick it down on 3 sides and have it as a pocket in here. And I'm just thinking I'm lacking something here. Ah, that looks good. I just needed something in there. Now with this one, I'm going to use the rest of the wallpaper, and I've got another one of those frames. I've decided I really like them. I don't know why I haven't used them before. I think I've just got too much stuff, of course, but I'm sure I'm not alone in that. In fact, I know I'm not alone. I've seen plenty of people have way more stuff than me. I'm trying to use some of it, which is great. I'll put this one down. Actually, before I put this down, I just want to position it because I was looking at putting something like this in here, and I want it to be underneath the edge of the frame. And then I've got, maybe not that one. Oh look, I've got an owl. Didn't realise I had an owl. Put this one up here. Actually, I might switch those around because the owl's on the right hand side. The face, you know, the owl face is on the right hand side. So if I don't want to really cover him up, I'm going to put this one here, and then I can put this one underneath, or get something a bit smaller. Let's see. I wonder about these 13s, number 13 stickers. One there. No, he's a bit too tall. I have to poke him down a bit more. So he's down there. So I can put like 1 and a 3 here. And then I can put another little bug down here. What about the silence? Because that kind of goes with the owl sort of thing, I think. Put that along here. Now if I put it there, it's going to have to go in the centre. So it's going to do my head in. Okay. The silence. There you go. I've got another little thing. And again, I can use that as a side pocket or a top pocket in my journals. So there are my 3 things that I've made today with, well, not really a Halloween theme, but out of Halloween themed pieces. And I'm super happy with all of them. I'll be definitely using them in my journals. So you'll see them pop onto screen again. And I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks very much for joining me. Until next time, cheers.